Today's video is another What's Sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. It's everything I sold over the 4th of July weekend from late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I shipped the items on Tuesday. So right when other resellers are saying there's a summer slowdown, these are consistent sales that I've made in 3 days. Stick around to see what's still selling and how you too can make money flipping items online. If this sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next What Sold video. Now let's get into what's sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari. It's Monday morning. The post office is closed today, but I'm going to get a jump start on my shipping. So we'll start over here. This is a bundle that sold on Poshmark, a Vera Bradley mug and a Sad Sam plush. I paid $3 for all of it. I sent the Posh buyer a $30 offer for the two of them. They accepted, so my profit, $20.38. This next item is a Rothschild wool coat. I paid $3 for this at Goodwill. It sold on Poshmark for $40. So my profit, $31.54. Winter items do sell even in July. That was a winter wool coat, and next up I have a pair of ski pants. I list winter items all year round. Leave a comment below and let me know if you also list items year round or you wait for the season to come around. This is a pair of koi scrub pants. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full price on Poshmark of $23. So my profit, $14.90. This is a vintage baby girl infant dress. I paid $2 for it at Goodwill. It sold on Facebook for $12 plus $5.50 shipping. There was some question about the free shipping offer on Facebook for the 4th of July weekend. To be honest, I'm not sure if the buyer was charged shipping or not, but my profit on this, $9.12. This is a boys hockey Canada jersey. I paid $2 for this at Goodwill. It sold on Facebook for $12 plus $5.50 shipping, so my profit, $9.06. This is a pair of Rocky Mountain denim jeans. It's sold on eBay. I paid $4.25 for this. The buyer paid $30 plus $9 shipping, so they were $39 all in. My profit, $21.92. And coming back over here is a Susan Bristol new with tag jacket. This sold on Amazon. I paid $3 for it. The buyer paid $32.18 plus $4.99 shipping. The fees on Amazon are a little bit more expensive at $7.30. My actual ship charge was more than expected at $6.28. So my profit, $20.51. This next item is a new with tag NYX bra. This is a new to me brand, but I usually like to pick up anything and everything new with tags. Much to my surprise, it sold for $35 plus $7 shipping on eBay. I paid $2 for it. So my profit, $36.15. Bras are easy to store and easy to ship. And this is a pair of Obermeyer ski pants. Now we just celebrated the 4th of July, but folks are looking for winter items. I paid $4 for this at Goodwill. The buyer sent me an offer of $35 plus $12 shipping. So my profit, $23.55. So this is early Monday morning. Should I get more sales throughout the day, I will make another video. I did mention that I cross-post many of my items from eBay to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. I do this with ease using List Perfectly. If you're not currently signed up for List Perfectly, go ahead and give it a try. With my code, pieceofscrap, you will receive 30% off your first month's subscription, and you're free to cancel it at any time. I will also have my affiliate link in the description below. It's early evening on Monday. I have 5 more items that sold today, so let's go down the list. This is a Walls camouflage coat. I paid $4 for it at Goodwill. It sold for $30 on Poshmark, so my profit $20. This is a koi scrub shirt I picked up for $1 at a local thrift store. The buyer paid $20 plus $6 shipping on eBay, so my profit $18.04. This shirt is a Cabela's Safari Series long sleeve shirt, a very large size 2X. I paid $3.50 for this one, and in the store that day I also picked up 2 or 3 more. This was the last one to sell. It sold for $40. So my profit, $28.50. This is a pair of Dansko shoes. This sold on Facebook. I paid $3 for these. The buyer paid $30 plus $9 shipping, so my profit, $33.90. This was not an easy sale on Facebook. The buyer had messaged me, hey, is this still available? Which I don't understand why they do. If the item is still listed for sale, it's clearly still available. So I responded, yes, it is. Please make an offer. She got very chatty then and decided to make the offer in the chat window of $30 and not go through the Facebook channels. I had a lot going on over the weekend, so I let the conversation slip my mind. She came back a day or 2 later and said, hey, is this still available? I'm still interested. I said, yes, please make an offer. She again typed $30 in the chat window, so I took it upon myself to lower the price to $30. I told her to refresh the listing, and I sent her the link to the item, and she purchased it that way. Maybe some Facebook buyers are inexperienced and do not realize they can make an offer via the Facebook channels. So I did help her out in that way. I'm curious, do you sell on Facebook Marketplace? I've had very good luck selling items that I've not been able to move on eBay or Poshmark on Facebook. Now I do offer shipping. I created a video with Facebook Marketplace tips for resellers based on my own experience. It's tips and tricks to help you be successful on Facebook Marketplace. I will link that video here. This is a hooded Under Armour men's sweatshirt. I paid $4 at Goodwill. It sold for $32.82 plus $11 shipping, so my profit, $25.33. So I'm going to get these boxed up and ready to go to the post office tomorrow. I hope everyone had a nice, relaxing 4th of July. I did make money while I was out enjoying the holiday with my family. My son and I traveled 2 hours to run a 5K race. I finished, and he actually finished 2nd in his age group and 5th overall, so I'm very proud of him. It's Tuesday morning. I have one more item to ship. It's a Ralph Lauren shirt with a nautical theme. I paid $2 for it at a garage sale. It sold for $14.50 plus $6 shipping. So my profit, $11.99. I'll get this packed up and dropped off at the post office later today. I just shared with you the 16 items, as one was a bundle sale on Poshmark that sold over the 4th of July weekend with gross sales of over $450. Now let's break down the numbers. Over the 4th of July weekend, from late Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, I had gross sales of $453. I paid $59 in fees, my actual ship charge, $50, the purchase price of the items, $40, leaving my net profit, $304. This is the dollar amount that goes into my bank account before taxes. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel. Do me a favor and click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified of my next video. I create several videos a week. Those include thrift with me videos, what sold videos, how-to videos, videos specific to Facebook Marketplace or Mercari, and I'm always open to suggestions. So if you have a suggestion for a future video, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and we'll see what we can do. Continue watching and I'll catch you in the next one.